Exodus chapter 20, verse 8. Remember the Sabbath day.
Why did he say remember the Sabbath day? Because we just read in Jeremiah 17 that we was going to lose our heritage. We lost our laws, right? Through what? Oppression, colonization, slavery. We lost the way we used to be. So he said, listen, you got to remember the Sabbath day. Read.
To keep it holy.
But it says keep it holy. Holy means sacred, sanctified, different than every other day. The Sabbath day is different than every other day. Read.
6 days shalt thou labor and do all thy work. But the 7th day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. In it thou shalt not do any work. Thou, nor thy son, nor thy daughter, thy maidservant, nor thy maidservant, nor thy cattle, nor thy stranger that is within thy gates.
Right. We're not supposed to work on the Sabbath day. That work is going to serve our work. We can read it later on in the chapters. Serve our work. We're not supposed to work on that day, right?